This is London with Bitcoin Spike. I want to go through some details on Bitcoin. We're in the Maserati today, chilling. Wanted to take a break. I want to go through the details and show you exactly what a fan formation is. We trade them all the time in our VIP group. Welcome and shout out. Happy Thanksgiving. Hope you guys are doing well. Now, a fan is a sequence of lines. Resistance, flip to support, to a next level of resistance, to a next level of resistance. I want to walk you through this as we do a replay and show you what the VIP are trading. And I want to remind you, we focus on the New York Institute of Finance. Absolutely, where Wall Street goes to school, where all the pro traders get their learning and education. Now, in terms of this, guys, and I mean the real pro traders, let's walk through and look at a level of resistance on a fan so that you understand how to trade them. You see the level of resistance. Let's watch the market push price up above the resistance. Here it comes, watch, it'll push it up above resistance. That's to the second line of the fan. Now, can it reconfirm prior resistance? Pay attention to this. Can it reconfirm prior resistance as support? This is going to be one of the I'd say the quintessential aspects that you're looking at in terms of a fan formation is at every single level. You see the prior resistance now right there, bam. And do you see our indicator pick up that specific hit? Boom, that's a buy signal right there. Now, that specific resistance flipped to support. You see the next line of resistance. You guys see this? Flipped up to the top side. You see our indicator catching that as well for a flash trade. Now, you see it walking up to a next line of resistance. So we have line 1, line 2, line 3. You guys got it. Now, as you're walking up each of these lines, that third is essentially that quintessential. And look at that, guys. Look at that golden short there. Nice golden short on our indicator, fire and ice. Very nicely done. I wanted to walk you through this so that you see the progression from a line of resistance flip to a line of support, right? Now, when I'm saying that, you saw that, right? Line of resistance flip to support, line of resistance flip to support, and you're ultimately seeing a bit of a breakdown and a transition. And guys, we're on the micro time frame. This is on the 3-minute time frame so that you understand how we trade. We trade flash trades, guys. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. As you're watching the current challenge on this ascending triangulation as you trade your fans. And yes, the fans are recognized by the New York Institute of Finance, where Wall Street goes to school. This flat top resistance was the catch for the pattern overall. You always want to zoom out, but I just wanted to spend a bit of time with you today so that you understand exactly what a fan pattern is. You guys are familiar with GAN fans, right? Well, this is I'd say a little bit of a different take on the fan process, okay? So as you would look at the overall macro, always consider, guys, feed your micro into that macro. We currently have an ascending triangle. Buyers need to do the following as we would look at this. Buyers need to establish and maintain this level of support. We would expect the amplitude carry up on any ascending triangulation to, guys, get us up to that in terms of repeating the amplitude, essentially to complete that thought. A little bit of traffic here, excuse that. In terms of this move up, we'd be looking at about a 1% move, I would say, from where we currently are right now. I would say this, in terms of Bitcoin, breakout trading right now has been difficult. You know that. Breakout trading has been very difficult, especially if you're trading bullish patterns. We had a few recent nice bullish patterns. Shout out to the VIP. The one pattern that I want you all to recognize that the market is critically looking at right now, and I mean critically with a critical eye right now because of, I'd say, a contraindication with a descending triangle. But yes, this specific downward sloping channel is a real pattern in play. Typically, any downward sloping channel is going to want to break to the upside. It's going to eventually want to break to the upside. So we're looking at this very intently, I'll just say that. And in terms of the dynamics of a breakout expected to the upside, we also understand, and guys, it's not an excuse, but with FTX, it is, guys, what we say, boiled down to bad news hitting the market, right? In terms of the dollars and cents behind it, I think there's some real fundamentals in play. So never overexposed. I will invite you to join our specific group. And yes, our indicator has been doing extremely well. You see the buy line there on the 1 hourly time frame. Look at the fire sale line below that, guys, at 15.7, about 15,800. I encourage you to maintain maintain heavy cash reserves available for these lower levels on both your green buy line and your red fire sale line. These are weighted averages in an envelope fashion, which is recognized by the New York Institute of Finance. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We'll talk to you guys soon. Make sure you join, guys. We have the #1 trade group. We're excited to always get new traders in. Very exciting in 2023. We're going to take this market by storm, looking for a real strong showing from crypto in 2023. Don't miss the boat. Be preparing now for your trades, guys, in 2023. We'll talk to you soon. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.